Hi guys, I will show you another way to do the VLOOKUP in Power BI. So the last time we use VLOOKUP to we use a lookup function in DAX Power BI to bring the column from this table, so table 2, and then combine with table 1, and then we have a new table in here. If you don't want to produce new table, you can actually make a new column in here, and then you can add more and more. But I mm, strongly don't recommend that solution, because if you want to add more and more column, and normally this is what you do, and then it take you a lot of time to just click and then add. And then more importantly, if you want to bring your workbook, your working from one workbook to another, then you have to click and then add a lot. But in this case, you just copy this one all the way to your new workbook, and then everything will come over. So it will be a better way. Now I will show you another way to do it in PQM. So in order to perform the PQM version, you need to right click in any table and then choose Edit Query. So in here we have two tables, table T1 with this month, but then not the FY and not the other things. And then this one, table T2, we have all the time taggings we need, but then we don't have the numbers, revenue numbers. So if you want to merge these two together, you can have the function in here, which is to merge the query at new. Or actually, you can choose anything. Um, if you want, choose as merge query only, and then it will append to the current table. But if you merge as new, it will give you a new table. In this case, and then in this case, because I'm looking at I selected the table 2, that's why it comes in here. But if I want to put the table 1 on the left, I have to select the table 1, and then I put the merge query in as new in here. So I want the add new, because we have different columns already. So I want to put another table here to compare like for like. So the merge happen with the table mm, 1 against table 2, and then this column will match to this column. Uh, or actually, you can see the labels already, so you know that they are meant for each other. And then this one will give you you can choose different option in here. And this one is a little bit difficult for you to understand the options if you don't have any relational algebra background. But if you do, then it like student from computing background, then they should know, because the word outer and full outer doesn't give you any hint at all for you to understand. But this one will give you a more things. So I will explain this slide for all from the first and matching from the second. Uh, so it means that it has every rows from the left, mm, and then left, which is the first table. In this case, actually, it's supposed to put the left here and then the right here, but then anyways, and then it will match it right. So so in total, we have all the column from the left, all the rows from the left, and then we will uh, have also the blank rows on the left as well, because it doesn't match to the right, but then we still want to keep it. So that's what it means by left outer here. Okay. Actually, I think I have to make another video on relational algebra, and then left outer, and then left inner, in order to explain more about this one. But for now, we just select the first option, and then we hope that it will work for us. If the total revenue doesn't match your revenue in table T1, you know something is wrong already. So you have to check another option. So the total revenue, in this case, the accounting trick, our accounting auditing trick is just to check the total. Okay, so after you click OK, you will have the merge table here, which is I will rename it to table T3. We have the table T3 before already, so I will rename this one combine merge PQM. So you know that this is a solution from the PQM, which is Power Query M language for this for now. Okay, so after this, what happened? It will give you the T2 in here. So everybody in T1 will be until here. Mass, sex, that until the mix. T2 will be here, and then they are stored in a table, and then you have to expand this one to to those are the inner guy in a column within the table, and then you have to choose which one you want. So I won't choose this one because I have it here already. Time YM32 here already. This one I don't need, so I need this one maybe. FY I need, and then the rest I need. So that's it. Now the trick here is use the original columns at prefix. So the original column is this guy, T2 times stack like this. Sometimes it works because you have the same column names. So for example, this column and then this column has the same name, but then it will give the prefix T2 time tax and then plus time GM132. Okay, so this trick work very well sometimes because you try to avoid collision in naming. But for this case, because I know already that there's nothing in here that will collide with those guys, the old names here and then the new name here, they are different sets of names. So I uncheck this one. I uncheck this one, and then I know very well that it will work. Okay, so sometimes you are very cocky and then it doesn't work, and then and then it will be very how can I say, embarrassing, right? Okay, and then done. So there you go. So everything from table 2 will be brought over here, and then you have everything from table 1 and table 2 already. Let me close this one, and then I will show you the two solutions side by side. Okay, so in here we have the solution from DAX expression from last time, and in here we have the solution from PQM this time. Okay, so I will switch this one to the tabular mode or the table mode in order to compare like for like the two. So this is the guys from last time, the DAX solution. This is the guy from PQM, and then you have all the tables, all the columns in here. They are the same. Okay, let us check to make sure that they are same. So I will check some the total first, right? So I check the total here, and then this one I need to change to table and see the numbers. So this one has three markets, and then the total is 46. This one I need to check to make sure that they don't screw up my numbers. The merger. Okay, so more or less there. Uh, Market, and there you go. Okay, so side by side, I put the two tables side by side to check, make sure that the two solution give the same result, right? Okay, so this one you can see here, match to this column, and then in this table 3, this one uh, bind to those two columns, and then they have the same result. So I can, after this, I can conclude that actually by two methods, which is DAX VLOOKUP, and then the other one is the merging function in the PQM window. They give me the same numbers or the same result, and then I can move on from any of those. So I can pivot on T3 or T3 merged by PQM. They are the same guys. So hopefully after this video, you know there are actually two solutions or more than two solutions for you to merge to bring the tagging columns from one table to the next table, and then you can have the final result, which is very rich for you to perform any pivots or any charts you need.